Dear small content creator, you are doing well. You are working so hard. You are learning many more skills. It is okay that you haven't yet reached where you want to be. Your time is coming, and as cliche as that sounds, it is true. Watching everyone else go viral except yourself is so frustrating. You believe you deserve more than you are getting. You think that the algorithm is not in your favor. Watching those numbers go up every hour and wishing that that could have been you. You feel guilty for feeling like that and feeling like you don't want them to win. But that is a normal feeling. It doesn't make you a bad person. You're just looking in the wrong corner. Focus on yourself. Focus on competing with who you were yesterday. That's the only race that's important. Hard work, yes. Consistency and showing up authentically and genuinely will get you there. Everyone behind the screen has a right to choose you or ditch you, and that's okay. You're not everyone's cup of tea. Patience isn't something you would typically find listed as a positive trait, but it's a trait that you have specialized in for all this time. It's become an uncomfortable feeling because of how much longer you have waited, plus the sprinkle of comparison with everyone else that you cannot help. When you get to those low times, remember why you started. And if you haven't figured that out yet, that's okay. You'll figure it out eventually. Sometimes we get held up in this online space. We forget to breathe, to feel, and to connect. Don't forget the important aspects that keep your blood flowing. Overnight success is a myth. Everyone has had to wait, but sometimes we just get to wait longer than others. And it's not fair, but so is life. You are resilient, you are persistent, and you already have what you want. It's inside of you. That's where you should be looking. I hope you are even more patient. Your success might be around the corner, or it could be in the next months as well. But it's something that's surely coming. So I challenge you to postpone the need to give up, because this is where you belong and you deserve it all.